Hey, check it out, Agile Equipment is now stocking the IAQ Pro Ventilation Kit. If you need to dry cavity spaces in walls or cabinetry, the IAQ Pro Vent Kit equips your centrifugal air movers with directed airflow to deliver faster, more effective drying. The Vent Kit box attaches securely to most centrifugal air movers using adjustable straps with a clip connector, while foam padding protects surfaces and ensures a tight seal. From the box, connectors attach the flexible hoses, giving you 11 channels of targeted airflow. Each hose is fitted with a tip that features side latches to clip firmly into drilled holes. With an 18mm neck size, all you need is a small 18mm hole in walls, cabinetry, or kickboards to deliver air exactly where it's needed. If you don't require all the ports, the included caps block off unused holes on the box, maximizing airflow through the hoses in use and boosting drying efficiency. Once the job is done, everything packs neatly back into the carry bag, ready for the next site. Another big advantage of the IAQ Pro Vent Kit is that it allows you to channel dry dehumidified air directly into void spaces. By connecting a dehumidifier outtake to our IAQ Pro flexible ducting, you can push that dry air through the air mover, into the vent kit, and finally into the wall, cabinetry, or cavity. This targeted airflow significantly increases drying performance and reduces overall job time. With two 15-meter long hoses, 11 tips, 11 connectors, 11 caps, the vent kit box, and a carry bag included, the IAQ Pro Ventilation Kit has everything you need for precision drying. Order now from Agile Equipment, online at agileequipment.com.au, over the phone or in store. Thanks for watching.